Hello, YouTubers and plane lovers. I'm here to do an unboxing on a plane that I just got today, and this is a Skymarks Aeromexico Boeing 737 1 to 130 scale. And let me go ahead and start opening the box. And this is one that I ordered, or actually won on eBay 4 days ago. I won it on Monday, or Sunday actually, and it got shipped out on Monday. Today is Thursday, so got here really fast, if you ask me. It's a little different. A lot of paper, I'll tell you that. So yeah, this is one of them old Skymarks. Like I said, this is an Aeromexico Boeing 737-700 1 to 130 scale. As you can see, this is from the all boxes. So let's see. Here you have it. It's Aeromexico. I have this same airplane, but it's by Premier Planes, and it's way smaller than this one here. And it's already used. The guy that sold it to me said that it had been assembled, but I guess he just wanted to get rid of it. So, and I paid $25 for it. Yeah, you can see some well, yeah, there you go. Some small stains. I guess here's the right wing. Here's the left wing. The stand. Aeromexico. And I'm trying to look for the year, but it doesn't have it. So I'm not really sure what year this was. This came out. It usually has it on here. It's part of the stand. Engines. They're just regular engines that I don't spin. Here's the other engine. The elevators. Whoa. Oh, here's the other one. Okay, good. Alright. This is my first Boeing 737 by Skymarks. I don't have one. I have Airbuses, and I have a Boeing 777s. But I don't have, I didn't have this one here. I have 3 of them, but they're on a different scale, or they're smaller than this one here. It would have been cool if we had the landing gear, but it didn't come with it. And it kind of sucks that it doesn't have any marks on the engines, you know, like the Aeromexico.com. But still really cool. For the price I paid for it, worth it. Stabilizers. So here you have it. Like all the other Skymarks that I have. This is very detailed as well. This is the old livery from Aeromexico. Mexican flag. I don't see a registration number, which kind of sucks because most of the Skymarks, they have them, but I guess these old models that they used to make don't have them. But yeah, I mean, still, it's got the windshield wipers, the Sky Team logo on the side, the door handles, the doors, the emergency exits, the cargo, the cargo doors on this side, both of them. The Aeromexico logo on the tail. They're not on the winglets. I think the new models have it on the winglets, but not this one. But oh well. Here it is. This is my first Boeing by Skymarks. Pretty cool if you ask me. So I recommend it. I mean, for the price I pay for it, I think it's really good. Like, subscribe. I have a page on Instagram, and it's called Insta Just Planes. I have several pictures, but they're not. Some of the pictures are by me that I took, but most of them are just pictures I like and I see online, and I like them, and I'll just share them. But if you like to follow me there, you can follow me. Insta Just Planes. So yeah. So there you have it, Aeromexico.